Makati and I'm stuck in the rain without an umbrella. So I got a mission to complete today, and it's to try and find a passport cover. Just been to Mercury drugstore. Got some medicine and stuff that you need. Now let's see if we can get a passport cover. Let's see. Doesn't really look like it. These 7-Eleven's small, I'll tell you. Makes you feel big. Hey Kuya.
Yeah.
Kumusta ka? Meron sa passport cover, like holder?
Passport?
Yeah.
Ay.
Wala. Alam mo saan yun?
Dad! Alam mo sa may passport cover?
This is the mission. Nope. It's a bunch of girly freaking products and me in the mirror. And I'm all wet. So I'll give you a tip, guys. When you get wet here, go home, take your clothes off, wash them, and take a shower, because it's like acid rain or something. I don't know why. You always get a fever after this. Okay, voila. Okay, salamat. Thank you, guys. All right, so the mission continues. Here we're going. Okay, I'm gonna get saturated here. Oh well. So, trying to find a passport cover, but I'm not having any success. You know. Hi. Streets of Makati. Oh, check that out. Just leave a bit of concrete behind. Let's have a look in here quickly. Hello.
Why?
Oh, just observation.
Or?
Oh, just catalog. Yeah. Yeah. Cool. Very nice. Are you the call man? What's your name, sir? Pangalan mo? Yeah, ako si Martin. Nice to meet you. Yeah. So what are you doing here? What are you building? Wow, look at this. Saloon. All right. Well, cool. Well, thanks very much for that. Appreciate it.
Okay.
Ingat. God bless you. Thank you. See you later, man. Hey, look at these guys. Hey, what's up? Hey, what's up, guys? Oh, how you gonna? Okay. All right. Okay. You twisted my arm. All right. So I'm on a mission.
Yes, I miss you, my friend.
A mission, ako. Oh, this is a guapo boy. Look at this one, huh? Isn't he handsome? Looks just like my son. I got a 10-year-old son. Yeah, and he's Filipino too. And looks just like you. Okay, sure. We're getting wet. The whole heck wet. It's pouring down here.
Umbrella.
Payong.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ayong.
There you go. All right. These guys are really cool. I mean, yeah, they you know, they just want to help. They're actually, yeah, they're really sweet. All right.
Where you going, my friend?
Punta ko yung balik sa Makati Palace, yeah? Alam mo saan niya? You know where? Yeah, sige. Tara.
Okay.
Let's go.
Let's move.
Let's move.
Faster.
Listen, no. Watch out for traffic. You're gonna get, where you go? Play chicken. 1, 2, 3. Look at this guy. Where's your tatay? Where's your daddy? Gone? Oh, fuck, we're gonna run over. Oh shit. Excuse me. Oh, sorry. Shouldn't. Bad word. And here's the Metro Bank. The guys have a million guns. Hey man. Nice gun.
Nice gun.
12 gauge? Cool.
Black and India.
All right. Hey guys. All right. Yeah. Some people don't want to smile. It's okay. It's no big deal. Thanks, brother. You're good boys. Watch out. Ingat na. Take care. Okay. Oh, man, I'm gonna bring out my shit when I get back. Oh, these kids are really good. So we're just walking along. We're coming up to Pete Burgos Street again. These are my last few days here, so I'm trying to make the most of it. But I don't think I'm going to find a passport cover today. I'm probably just going to, retire out for now. Bunch of cool bikes. Yeah. Oh, what are you doing? Oops, sorry, man. All right. This guy. Hey, watch out for the car. You're gonna get squashed. Oh my god. You know, like you gotta be careful. You know, cars will squash you. Hey guys. Maybe later. Thank you. All right. Mamaya. All right. Looks like I'm going in circles in this place, doesn't it? I love this guy, but incredible hawk. Cool as. Okay. And there's Miss Flower Lady. Watch out for the cars. Oh my god, it's like huge. Hi. Hi, sir. Alright, cool. Actually, first stop, gonna do a 7-Eleven run. This video is running a little long, and yeah. Nice tongue.
Tongue?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Cool.
wait.
Alright, sige. Mamaya.
Kapunta?
Mamaya.
To the moon.
Yeah, the moon. Alright, man. Good to see you. Alright, okay, so we're here on the home, which is over here, which is Makati Palace. Right now, signing out. So everyone say bye, guys. Alright, okay.